Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Now another BMW N47 engine video today, and for the past few months or so I've noticed on startup there is a slight squeak. Now I will insert a clip here. And as you heard, it literally is right on startup as the engine is first turning over. And yeah, so I'm led to believe that it is not a belt or an automatic tensioner issue or something like that, because if it was a failing belt or a tensioner or an idler pulley, then surely it would be pretty consistent, you know, just sort of carry on at least while the engine is cold. That's usually what the case is. And not only that, I have literally not long just replaced the entire drive belt kit, which is obviously the drive belt itself, the automatic tensioner and the idler pulley, and it is with good quality parts as well. They are all part of a Gates drive belt kit. So yeah, I think the drive belt kit itself is absolutely fine. I don't think there's any issues with that, but not long ago I have just replaced something else and I'm pretty certain that this has solved our issue. So without further ado, let's get outside and let's take a look. Okay, so first of all then, let's fire this up and let's see if we have managed to solve the issue. So as you all just heard, the squeak on startup is now gone. And let's take a look at what I've done to resolve it. Let's lift the engine cover up. As you can see, we have a brand new alternator there, and that has solved our issue. And let's take a look at the original alternator then, and I'm going to try and emulate the squeak or the chirp on startup that we was experiencing. So if I turn this pulley quick enough, you can hear a slight squeak, and I think if it's not the alternator, then I think it was the pulley. Obviously we have replaced the alternator, we have a brand new alternator on there, but whether or not it was the alternator itself or the pulley, I'm guessing it's going to be the pulley that had failed or was at least worn. And yeah, so definitely worth checking the pulley on your original alternator. Okay then, so there we go, nice easy solution to our problem. It turns out that it was the alternator, or I guess the alternator pulley, that had failed or kind of was on its way out. And yeah, I'm pretty sure this is quite a common issue on the N47 to have a squeak or a chirp on startup. I've had a bunch of you guys message me and you know, ask me what I think the issue is. Obviously we have solved it now, so yeah, if you are experiencing this, for sure check your alternator. And like, would I recommend replacing just the pulley if it's the pulley that has failed on your alternator? I mean, if your alternator is 10 years old or so, I'd probably actually recommend just replacing the whole unit like I did, because you know, chances are the voltage regulator is going to be quite worn, the alternator itself is going to be quite worn. So yeah, I'd probably just recommend replacing the whole lot, and then you know it is good and it's going to last, what, another 10 years plus. Now if you are looking for the OEM replacement alternator that I installed, I will leave a link down in the description box below, so feel free to check that out. I hope this video has been helpful. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Another thing fixed on the BMW 520d. Remember to give this video a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I will see you all in that next one. Peace!